Hi everyone. Now I received a call from my local camera retailer about 8 to 9 days ago, and they let me know they had a Nikon Z9 waiting for me. Now, although I'd pre-ordered this camera and I knew I was within the top 50, not counting any of the NPS members that may have been bumped up, I guess kudos to Nikon for coming through with sufficient camera supplies. I know at launch there was a small shipment across the world. I thought, I probably wouldn't be there within the first major shipment in January. It'd probably be April. So yeah, kudos to Nikon for meeting the demand here. Now I'm finally getting around to unboxing it this evening. So it's behind me here. So let's see what we have in the box. Looks like some documentation with the warranty and a couple of user manuals, one in English and one in French. Looks quite detailed. I wonder how it compares with the manual that's available online. Here's the main compartment with a couple of sections, left and right. The left side, the camera body. Fairly securely wrapped. Some bubble wrap. And here's the body itself. It's got quite a weight to it. And it feels very comfortable despite being a heavy body. I've got small hands. And what do we have on the right hand side? Lots of bits and pieces. Looks like the battery charger, the MH33, I believe, capable of fully charging an exhausted battery in around 4 hours. It's actually very light and a little smaller than I expected. So should be easy to travel with. And this looks like the AC adapter. It's got a USB interface, so you can either connect it to the battery charger or charge the battery in body directly when the camera is off, or provide continuous power when the camera's on. The neck strap, we'll ignore that. I never use the provided neck straps. And here is the battery. The battery has very high capacity. It's compared to my Nikon D850, it's about 150% more electrical energy stored in there. And a couple of bits and bobs. Looks like the USB and HDMI cable clip. finally the USB cable. Well, I think that's it. There we go. This is what's in the box. Make sure it fits. Everything's looking good. Well, there you have it. Now with a camera such as the Z9, you do have to use fast memory to get the best performance, particularly when shooting at 20 frames per second in RAW. I plan on using a pair of CF Express Type B cards, one that's specifically designed for high-speed stills shooting and a second that's designed for video recording, both 4K and 8K. These cards are coming from Angelbird. In fact, I've already received one of them and still waiting on supplies to arrive into North America. Regards the other one, that's the one for video recording. So I do plan on testing both these cards when the second card arrives, and I will be sharing what I think of them in terms of performance. Now, I hope you really enjoyed this short unboxing video. If you have any questions about the Z9, do let me know below, and do subscribe to this new channel. This is my first video, and I do plan on making a video right after this one on why I felt I needed the Z9 for my photography. And I'm coming from my current camera. That's my workhorse for the past 4 years. That is the Nikon D850. So this will be my first move from a DSLR to mirrorless. I really know already that the Z9 will deliver more than what I'm able to do with my Nikon D850, and I'll get into that a lot more in my next video. So do like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.